turn, straight, kick, turn, down, turn, hands together, down. Now we can do without the step back. So the leg is swinging back and forward, just as in the first kick. Otichot konkal. And then the first turn, step forward, left hand up, turn, stretch. So just like you do with the first kick. The second turn, kick, turn, step forward. Here the left hand is straight, the right hand is down. You can come down here, but I'd rather you keep the pelvis square, so it's perfectly fine to stay higher here for now. Step forward, turn, straight. The second turn, kick, turn, down. Now the third turn, which we haven't done yet, we're going to go into the elephant. So we kick, turn, hands together, down. Once more. Kick, turn, hands together, down. And then foot up, forward. Three kicks. After this kick, turn, hands together, down. Right hand and foot back, left foot up into the kick. Yes, and forward. Three kicks. Turn, elephant. Right side back. Left foot up. Kick, forward. Open, close, open. And please use their online forum. Start to contact me and ask for some feedback on the forms that you're doing. I'd be very happy to check your forms to make sure you're on the right track. Great, so thank you very much from me this week. Nale kanam, and I'll see you soon.